Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Boxy Premium versus Boxy Base for April. Do you want to know what's inside my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I just received both of my Boxycharms today. I have my premium and I have my base box, and I'm gonna show you guys the difference between the two. My base box looks like it went through a little something. Now, both of these were supposed to be delivered last Saturday. Today is Monday. They both said out for delivery, so I literally went to work and I sat there all day until 3:30 waiting till I called for them to be like, oh yeah, it's not going to be there until the next business day. And I'm like, what, why? It still shows out for delivery. So I was a little perturbed because I wasted all day just sitting there because I'm not getting paid. So I was just sitting there at work waiting for my mail. So, you know, it came today. So let's see what we have. Let's go ahead and start with the base box first. I will timestamp down below when I start both of them if you wanted to only watch one versus the other. Unless you're here for the long haul and you want to watch them both, then here you go. So let's go ahead and dive into the base box. Now I know a lot of you guys end up asking me what the weight is. So since I've been tracking these for a while, I went and got the weight. So my regular base box, the weight is 1.1 pounds and my premium box is 2.8 pounds. So let's get into my 1.1 pounder. And I have not watched any videos or anything like that. And honestly, right now, I can't even, how in the world did I don't know. I can't even remember what I chose. So let's see. Boxycharm, a Boxycharm, and here is the card, and then there's another little paper in there and a little half piece this time, and that's what it looks like when you open it up. Those look like paintbrushes that you would use in like a little kid's like little art class. But I guess they're conserving because there's only a little half a piece this time. All right, you guys, let's see. Boxycharm, my variation is 7. So my base box is variation number 7. So let's dive in and see what we have. So the first thing that I was talking about that looked like kids' paintbrushes is this set by Lavish, and they're very colorful. They look like they would be like in a kid's art set. Just what it looks like to me. Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. This is valued at $29.99. So this one's for your eyebrows. You have an angled on that side and then a spoolie on that side, and this one's all green. And then there are the other 4 brushes. So here's the total of all 5. So they're definitely bright, definitely neon, and that is what they look like. And again, this is $29.99. So just these brushes right here are over the price of the entire box. Yep. All right, let's see what else we have in this box. We have a makeup eraser, and this definitely looks like Neapolitan ice cream to me. The color combination. And I love my makeup erasers. I'm kind of glad to now have another one because then I can just keep like rotating them. But this is, ooh, and it's all colorful like that too. Ooh, it's a big one. It's all colorful. That's really pretty. So you have all these little colors here, and it is a big sized, because I've had a small one before. That's why I'm like excited that it's a big one. It's a big one. So this right here says the original makeup eraser Sunset, valued at $22. So I'm super excited to have another one of these. So thank you. And now we have a product by Elemis, and this is a superfood Chica Calm, C-I-C-A, Chica Calm, I'm not sure, hydrating juice. So there is that. And this says Elemis Superfood. This is valued at $48. Loaded with vitamin packed superfoods and 75% organic aloe, this gel moisturizer delivers instant cooling hydration helping to soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the look of skin's texture for a more even, calm, and balanced looking complexion. I think that would be really neat, especially like if I'm outside, working outside with this heat in the sun in Florida. My cheeks always get burned, so maybe use this after I come in and take a shower and I'm relaxing. That'll probably soothe my skin. So I'm actually excited to have that, and it's valued at $48. So next we have an item that I'm going to put in a future giveaway because I do not use liquid highlighter. Why does it sound weird coming out of my mouth right now? I don't know. This is Iconic London Illuminator. And it'll say what color it is. No. So there's an illuminator. This is valued at $41. This concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply use it on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of this super concentrated shimmer glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra blendable glow. And again, $41. So I will stick this in a future giveaway just because I already have a few that are similar to this in a different brand, and I never, ever grab them. So there's that. And this, oh my gosh, I'm really excited for this. I got a small little sample of this at one point, and since it was so small, I thought it was an eye primer, and I put it on my eyes and it didn't do very well. And then I said that in a video, and one of you guys were like, no, it's not for your eyes, it's a face primer. I'm like, oh, I'm used to just primers putting over like everything in its entirety. But this smelled really good, and it made my skin feel so silky soft. And I always wanted to try to get the full size, but I don't normally use a lot of primer, so I just didn't, and now I have it, so I'm glad I didn't. But this is Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional Face Primer, valued at $32. Quickly minimize the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply a silky lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E known to protect skin from free radicals. And again, that's $32, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited to get this. So, wow, even the full size isn't even like a big product, but a little bit goes a long way, and this made my skin feel so smooth. So I'm actually excited to have this guy right there. So that is everything that came in my base box, you guys. This is $25 with free shipping. I have this guy that's, everything pretty much in here is over the price of the box in its entirety. So here's a face primer. We have a full-size big one, makeup eraser. We have the liquid illuminating drops. We have the Elemis product, and we have a brush set. So I'm actually, and I don't remember what I chose. Maybe I chose the Elemis because I definitely wouldn't have chose this. I can't remember what I chose, but there we go. So that is everything that came in the base box, you guys. All right, so now let's go ahead and go over what came in my premium box. Again, this is 2.8 pounds. So let's see what we have. Ugh. And the card is slid back here. And there we go. There's another makeup eraser one. So do I have another makeup eraser in here? I don't see one. So maybe they just threw the pamphlet in everyone. I don't know. So here is the card for this month, and my variation is 56. Holy moly, how many variations do they have? 56 is my number. So 56, and let's see what we have. So the first thing that I'm pulling out, I think this is a glass bottle. This says M Green Grass Dry Oil Spray Beach Hair. Okay, so this is something that I'll put in a future giveaway because I don't put anything in my hair, but it says spray and massage the oil directly into your skin. For hair, spray the oil into the palms and run through the tips of your hair to disperse evenly. For face, spray the oil on your hands and apply to face where needed. I don't like oily stuff at all on my hair, my face, anything like that. So I will definitely put this in a future giveaway so one of you guys hopefully can enjoy it. but this is valued at $36. So here's item number 1. I'm gonna put right back in the bag, and you guys will see this in a future giveaway. So there's item number 1. Item number 2 says Rich Dazzling. Is this Too Faced? Yes. This is by Too Faced, and this is in Hidden Talents. And this guy here is Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss, valued at $21. And I definitely don't have a color that looks like that. I do have like 1 or 2 of this style, the same kind of one, the Rich Dazzling, but not this one. So, ooh, that is very like burgundy-ish. There's that. So there's that. So it gives you a little bit of color, and it gives you a lot of shimmering shine. So I'm a shimmer, 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 shiny, shiny, shimmer, shimmer, shiny, shiny. There's that. So there's that color right there. Now let's see what we have in here. This says the Good Acid Pore Toner, Peach and Lily. So we have a toner, and voila. Ooh, and it's in a glass bottle. Peach and Lily Pore Toner, gently exfoliate plus balance. And it's in a nice glass bottle. This right here says valued at $39. So, and it has a little safety seal on the top. So I will wait, because I do have a few different toners open currently. I'll wait to use that. I'll put it in my backup pile. So there's that guy. Now we have is Age Away Replenishing Cream, Grapefruit Seed, Melissa, and Avocado. Melissa? Is there a girl in here? What is Melissa? I don't know. It says Melissa and Avocado. That's what it says on there. So this right here is Age Away Replenishing Cream, $69. Made with 11 innovative organic plant actives, this anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while deeply nourishing matte skin. Valued at $69 for this little tube right here. And it says, use instructions. Use circular motions. Massage this deeply nourishing, age-defining moisture cream into slight damped, freshly cleansed skin until absorbed. Formulated for daily use. $69 for this little bottle right here. That's a, well, I guess I'm like, that's a pretty big box for that guy, but it's sitting in there like that. So there's that item right there. And then we have, what is this, brushes? It feels like it's brushes. Yes. Some big handle, clear handles. And I don't use these bigger brushes, so I'll probably put these in a future giveaway as well, because I have tons of these that I never even use. I honestly don't know what they're used for, because I probably don't use the product that you use with these. But one looks like it's a flat, here's a flat angled one. Here's a rounded one, and then here's like a big poofy one. And they all have these clear, they're all clear plastic handles. And this says Crystal Clear 3-piece brush collection, valued at $40. $40 for 3 brushes? Whew. Hopefully they're good and somebody will enjoy them, because I don't need any more brushes like that. And then the last item in here is I have this. Let me go get mine. Hold on. Okay, here is mine. I purchased this when they first came out with this, the Barbie line from Pure. And I bought this with the highlighter and the lip products. Like, I bought the whole line, and I did a video to show you guys what it was all about in my review. And I put this on, I did a try on with it, and I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I've never touched it again until right now. I've never opened this palette again after reviewing it until right now. So this is gonna go in a future giveaway. This is valued at $34, but this is what it actually looks like. There are the colors. Again, I swatched them all. I did a look that day, and that's all she wrote. I never touched it again. It's just sitting in my arsenal on the top shelf that I don't grab from. And there you have it. So this will go in a future giveaway. And again, this is valued at $34. So in this premium box, I got the Barbie palette, which I already own. I have this daily face cream. I have a toner. There's a 3-piece brush set and a hair product that will go to one of you guys, with also the pure palette. And I got this. That is everything that came in the premium box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, do you get the base box? Did you get the premium box? Did you have any of the same products? Are we box twins? With this being number 50 something, what was this again? 56? Is anybody up there in numbers with me that high and got the same variation? Let me know. And yeah, if you guys wanted to know the pricing between them, I can't remember if I said the base price or not. I know I didn't say the premium. The base box is $25 per month with free shipping, and the premium box is $35 with free shipping. Me personally, I am leaning towards my base box, thinking that it is better. I will use the products in my base box more. The only thing, well, no, because I have these two. You know what? I'm just gonna do a giveaway right now. If you're still with me and you want these extra products that are in there, so it's going to be the eye brush set, the illuminator, the 3-piece brush set, the hair product, and the palette. So if you want these items right here, then this is what you'll need to do. Number one, you need to be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do when I do what I do. So be subscribed to my channel, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and in the comment section down below, say, since this palette is a Barbie palette, in your comment, just somehow in your comment use, I'm a Barbie girl.
In a Barbie world, wrapped in plastic, it's fantastic, you can brush my hair.
I don't want to keep going, I'll sing the whole damn song. So, in your comment, don't put enter me, because if you're still with me, then you know about this giveaway, and if you're not, then you won't know about it. So, in your comment down below, whatever you do, one comment with the words, I'm a Barbie girl, then I know you're actually wanting to be entered into this giveaway, but only one comment per user name. You can leave as many comments as you would like, but only one entering in to make it fair for everybody following the rules. So the main rules are, be subscribed to my channel, like this video, leave that comment with the word in it, have a United States address for me to ship it to, and be over the age of 18. If you're not, have somebody that is over the age of 18 enter in for you, and that's it. I will have this run for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will use a random comment picker, and whatever it comes up with, I will comment back to your comment saying, congratulations, you are the current winner, and you have 48 hours to respond back to me. If you do not get the notification and you do not respond back to me within the 48 hours, unfortunately, rules are rules, I will have to go back to the random comment picker and choose a new winner. The new winner will now have 48 hours, and so on and so forth, until I get a confirmed win. Down in the description box down below, which will have the official rules and the official end date, which will be in 2 weeks from right now, it'll say congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm or confirmed. If it doesn't say confirmed, hold tight. I might have to choose a new winner. The new winner might be you. So that is everything. Be subscribed, like, comment, be over the age of 18, have a United States address, and hang tight for 2 weeks. Good luck to everybody entering. Congratulations to the winner. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for being here and watching my videos. It really means a lot. So there you go. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.